Today we are going to learn about monetary and sales tax. Sales tax is a tax imposed by state or local government, and it is collected by the seller from the consumer and paid to the government. An incentive is something that gives you a reason to buy an item, and a rebate is an incentive refund that comes after you purchase something. Example 1. Nathan plans on hiking this summer and wants to buy a solar charger for his cell phone and laptop. He finds the charger that he wants at 2 stores. Price for the charger. So Best Buy's regular price is $90 with a discount of 30%, and Walmart's is $80 with $15 off. So first we could do Walmart's because that's the easier one. Because if Walmart's is $80 and it's $15 off, that's just 80 minus 50, which gives you 65. So Walmart's sale price is $65. So we have to see if Best Buy at $90 and 30% off is cheaper. So if it's a 30% discount, we want to subtract 100 minus 30, and that gives you 70. That's the percent you pay. So when we set up our change over original equals percent over 100, we want to put the percent that we pay in there so that it tells us what we're going to pay. So we don't know change. The original is 90, and we're going to pay 70% out of 100 because it's a 30% discount. So we have 100 times x when we cross multiply, and then 70 times 90. And then 100x is 100x. And then we know that 7 times 9 is 63. With 2 zeros is 6,300. We're going to divide by 100 to solve. And x equals 6,300 divided by 100, which goes in 6 times. 30 left over, which goes in 3 times exactly, and that is 63. So that means that Best Buy's is $63 after the discount. So which one has a better discount? Best Buy. Best Buy has a better price. Okay, let's try another one. Celia can get the same running shoes at 2 different stores. She wants to get 2 pairs of the same style. Which is the better buy? So at Go Run, the regular price is $109, and you take $5 off 1 pair, and it's buy 1, get 1 pair free. Wow, that's a really good deal. So take $5 off of the first pair would mean that we pay $104 for the first pair. And then it's buy 1, get 1. So that means that it's $104 for both. For Shoe Shop, its regular price is $89, so already the regular price is cheaper. You get a Melon rebate for $30 per pair. Now, per pair means that we get 2 melon rebates. So we're buying 2 shoes. So that means that I have to pay this $89 twice. So we're going to multiply it by 2. So 9 times 2 is 18. And then 8 times 2 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So it looks like we're paying $178 for 2. But we get this $30 rebate twice. So let's look at this. If we get a rebate and it's $30, so remember in our vocabulary, rebates are I pay it up front, but I'm going to send in this form and they're going to mail me a check for $30, or some people do like little cards. So if I'm going to get 2 of these, that means I'm getting $60 back. So I can subtract $60 from both of these pair of shoes. And it looks like I'm still paying $118 for both. So in this case, it looks like Go Run is cheaper, or the better buy. Okay, number 3, a take and bake chain has several coupons which cannot be used together. Jared is buying a pizza that cost $17.90. Should he use his $5 off coupon or 35% off coupon? Let's see which one's better. So we have 2 scenarios. So for the first scenario, it's $5 off. So for that one, we just have to subtract $5 and we get the price of how much the pizza is. This one, we have to set up a change over original equals percent over 100 proportion. So if 35% is the discount, remember right here we want to put percent pay. So that means if I have 100% and I get a discount of 35%, this is the percent pay. So I want you to subtract 100 minus 35, and then I want you to plug in to this proportion right here and solve. Press play when you are finished. So you should have gotten $12.90 for the first one and $11.64 for the second one. And if you didn't, press pause and check my math and then press play again. So it looks like he needs to use the 35% off coupon. Use 35% off coupon. And that will give him the better deal. Okay, number 4. The sales tax rate in Indiana is $5.75. And you make a $30 purchase. So $5.75 for the sales tax. You make a $30 purchase. How much is the sales tax? So that would be the first question that we're going to answer. And how much is the total purchase price? So here we have a $30 purchase. And we have $5.75. 5.75% tax. So we learned last year that we don't multiply by percent. So we're actually going to have to convert this percent to a decimal in order to multiply that. So when we convert percent to a decimal, I like to teach Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper, if you're going from a percent to a decimal, you would go to left from P to D. And then there's So therefore, we would move the decimal over 2 times. So for instance, 5.75, we're moving from P to D, so that is moving in the direction left. So I'd move the decimal over 1 2 times, which gives me 0.0575. So now we are ready to multiply. So we have, I like to put the number with the most digits up top. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers to the right of the decimal. 0, 0, 0, 0. Placeholder. 3 times 5 is 15. 21, 22. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. That's 0 plus 1. Okay, so we have to put our decimal back in. So it looks like our answer, our tax amount is this, but we got to make it look like money. So that means that we want to stop here. So we're going to look, the number to the right is 5 or more, so we add 1 and drop it off. So the tax is $1.73. So that's the answer to the first question. Tax, $1.73. How much is the total purchase? Well, if I'm purchasing something for $30, but I have to pay tax of $1.73, all we're doing right there is adding 7 point. Remember, we line up our decimals when we add, and our total purchase is $31.73. It's a much cheaper tax than in Texas. There you go. If you have any questions, please make sure to write it on your paper and ask in class tomorrow.